Okurugirira hari Dr. Ivan Bayega omushaho hari Rugarama kandi omuha abashaho abarukureberera nuwakora omwana ogwo akaba yaresirwa hirwarire nyuma ho 2015 by'ukwa katano 2022 kandi ogwo akaba yocibwe ebihimba ebiyabiragire kuronda mu kiyungu. Omwana ogwo hanyuma yo kumara obwire bw'amezi abiri hirwarire abazire be bakamwiba hirwariro nukwe kumutwara mu katasibwirwe bitwa birwariro bamwihaye bwa nyuma yo kumushanga Severino wa Pasta kandi abazire be bakeshereka.
So we had prepared how well for grafting. To make that simple, grafting is like when you have multiple wounds and want to cover them up. So we can harvest skin from other part of the body. Most of the cases we use the thigh and we come and cover up the part that is affected. Okay? If we see that it will be almost impossible for the wounds to cover on themselves, so that's what we are planning to do before they took off.
Nyina we akarazarwa nani konka yafu no kisana hati ishowe takatera gasimu akantana mu blacklist.
Okay, so now we are restarting the process once again.
Hanyuma yo kureba abazire b'umwana ogwo bamusigaho nyine nkoro wamanywa nkaro yakeha yo kuguma mu rwarize bitu nawaremerwe
nabazikanyire kemtware biro bundi nyona nyaro ndashoboza kumene cyoka buri izuba turaronde byo kurya ngo turi hati bana ngo byo kuri karona matagi barampaga rero batandike bagire mu ndone n'amezi go kugira kiko kumunyisa hamwe n'ebyo kurya biboneye.
Muri kikumi kinajo tube turi n'abantu muzwariro bisobola okutuyamba okujjanja omwana naawona bulungi naye it is a process.
Wemase owa Yesu akaretwa hirwarira abarukurira ekitongore cy'abana ha district cya Kabare kandi nikigambwa ngo akabashangirwe anagirwa mu miti omwana ogutari kubasa kushitama ninga kugamba ekintu cyona ahabwo kuborukizirwe turukora kurungi
tarukwerisa takakwata kandi tarukugamba kuregana nabo kuri yaragira ngo kya ingo bundi takagama unaenda kwejuna ninga naenda ngo kushesha so nabani pampers full time
ninga nyina taranywire folic acid
ogutwamanyisibwa ngo yamara emyaka 3 ahirwarire kandi abashaho nubakorekera kubasika kumuhwera
tukateka ngo bundi nabasa kuba ine cyo barukweta mu cerebral palsy rero kushanga omwana yazarwa bundi yazarwa bihire tiyara kukakurira ejo ndwara icyo nicyo tukateka ngo ayine konka tukachikonfaminga tutari kumanya history ye ngo kuyazirwe na necyabireho during the process of delivery.
Okwera abana bano basa kurabira hasi mu ya note mushanju 82 atanu na mushanju note mukaga note mushanju gasha kwa Job namanya